Ba Edelbert nong rum ubadayu MLA jong ka not Shillong hakas ngi balang la ka no baki he jong ka sarkar kila don kti hakikam thurmur jong ka jing pentrei kam ya ka skim sarkar pedeng ka bala bei pisa ling ba ka shubhakya skim hakajla Habakran cikla pathai kubor ba nong rum la pentip ba kishpomut ki he sarkar ki balang kti hakane ka kam kikin thup yau chief secretary u additional chief secretary u bakmi ya ka tanat ki kam boarding ya u CMD jong ka MEECL director jong ka MEECL distribution Chief Engineer Rural Electrification, Chief Account Officer and Deputy Chief Account Officer, Additional Chief Engineer Material Management, but Additional Chief Engineer Planning and Design.
Office, mana kedua chairman, ti Henry namsum lai kenduk dengan layu ya kapan Hanover part ya ka complain, kebangawan ban lodge ya ka complain, hakti jong secretary jong ka lokai uta di barat thap. Halor ka section section 13 1A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Kani kadai halor jong ka findings jong ka CEG kabdai ka report number 2 2023 and that March 2023. But ya kani ka report la send la pak cho government hakan beriu tarik benai berkandai ajar pulai buat haka arpu tarik benai berkandai ajar pulai la please dulu ya kani poka table of the house tibat nga kani kelas budget ngala persang belum rak kani nam taban divide namar kani ka kata ya ka pisah jong pai ba haka bedai buat ka kabaki nyatip lang barok ta ka subhagya scheme dengan ngamong subhagya scheme ngong subhagya scam beling ong ta kani unnecessary kelar shlong no avoidable expenditure ka bomdei banlut ha kata ka 156 crore ti kani ngla persam non ra apo ka house kom legislator represent ka voice of the people dalangi me keren po ka house hai ngin dia keren Henry ngalawan ra ru lembaga privilege ka bangayo kum legislator lembaga rules 130 bangila ban wan ra yung ka report Henry ka paso pala par kalong honorable speaker jong ka assembly jong ka state syam la sha lembaga rules and procedure of the assembly 241 katanya ka bam don kabam karen syai ban ong babar yo nono legislator ban divide di ban ra nuk report ban ya karen di ban divide kaba sopala kalong ba lada mangi kum legislator ngimla ban ya karen hapo hai ngin ya karen pa ti nrei hakani ka ju ka subject kala let mata spo ka high court badam brom nganum ko ban karen ni ispangani nenga ko karen specifically hani ka por kama wan ra ya bangwan ban lodge ka complain lembau chairman jo kalau paikta makanya ke judiciary ni haban perpau ke jing burum lembau ana hazari boleh yaki bandawa ya ka lokpal hagi ti por namar kani kalau lokayuk ta ka deka yeng shari jong paibang but dak burum po Meghalaya ba Michael CM ila shim ya ka initiative ban pressure ya government at that point of time itu gisnam ke balik no but lala ya ka ban pelongan te ba sosi pat bakani kalau kayu kita matang ikut bantip kan lakan terikam ni am katkum ka spirit tingam tip lakani ka office kan dei sya kata ka purely independent body namar ngitip ka constitutional body ka statutory body gabanom la ban tuklar pat da kumoi tingit scam ba ngawan ru ni ka por kalong bangan dawai ka hok khamtam paiba namar bangangit bakai MDA government ka dap keren syai bahkan wanra ika transparency and accountability tingin page ke bahkan ni kalau kayu ta hadukan no kalaban ayah ta kejing syakri ka bohok hakaban pengat ita ki brio ki badon hakita ki kam ka bamaki kilale namar boleh kan ni kadai ka bang pat penpau kan ni ka complain kadai halor ki sipo banta jongka office lemba chief secretary to the government of Meghalaya Nata additional chief secretary power to the government of Meghalaya Chairman Com Managing Director Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, nata Director Distribution Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited, nata Chief Engineer Distribution MEPDCL, Chief Engineer Rural Electrification MEPDCL, Company Secretary MEPDCL, nata Chief Accounts Officer Deputy Chief Account Officer MEPDCL, Additional Chief Engineer Material Management MEPDCL, Additional Chief Engineer Planning and Design. Kini di Shipho